Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from
What up, y'all? So basically, a quick thing. This video is about me and my friend going to the casino. I'm just gonna cut it short and very sweet and everything. I didn't want to show the intro of how we started riding, but we ended up going to the casino in Canada. We saw the view on top of the fourth floor where we could rub the engines and everything. Well, rub the motorcycle, not an engine, so it's not a car. But anyways, being said, so we ended up doing that, hanging out on there, and then we went to Riverside. Met up some more bikers and everything, and then we ended up getting ice cream. So I'm just gonna show you that footage. This is basically for me, for my memories. If you guys want to join and just watch these videos with me, that's cool and everything. Hopefully you guys like them. If you do like them, subscribe. If you do like them at least a little bit, hit me a like. If you do like anything of it, just comment also. I'll be greatly appreciative. And then hopefully you guys like the videos. I'm gonna talk also in the videos a little bit. So no, this way. I don't want to make something illegal. So at this point, we literally was like, okay, let's go to the inside the casino. There's like a little thing that you could rub the engine, go inside. You want to do something crazy, but I was like, nah, let's just chill. You know what I'm saying? So then we ended up chilling. We're like, you know what? Let's ride. So I rode, and then we're like, you know what? Let's get in the casino. We got in the casino, and like, yeah, it sounds dope as hell. So we ended up like, yeah, you know, that's what it was. And then we just chilled there a couple minutes to show off some stuff. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy right now. I don't know how you pause this. Okay. Fun fact, did you know I'm banned from this casino? Like literally banned from. I'm not even supposed to be on the property or anything. I was literally waiting for my friend right here. I was like, okay, I go way too fast. He's not as fast as me right now, so I try to let him catch up, and then I was like, okay, you know what, I'll go in now. I go pretty fast. I don't really slow down that fast, like that down. Then this is when I was like, okay, you know, I could rub my engine. It looked dope. It was looking like a racetrack right now, so I was gonna enjoy myself. But I was like, okay, every time I look back, he's not right behind me to slow down always. So kept slowing down. But that's the whole point, being in a group. And they got this stupid car in front of me. I was like, man, this car needs to hurry up. Look how slow he's in. Like, what are you doing, bro? Get out of my way. Like, I think it was a Volkswagen or a Honda, whatever. Both slow as shit. Usually, and he was going the wrong way. Look at that, he was entering the wrong way. God damn. Whatever. It's whatever. It'll be what it'll be. I don't know how to explain it, but I like to go fast. See how fast I go? That's what I want to see in a car. Go that fast. Most of these cars don't even know where they go on, and all of them are in Canada. Like, there's nothing else to do except the casino. So I'm shocked that I see half of them. I'm like, okay, where do I turn? Look at all these parking spots. And you tell me you don't know where to go in? Like, come on. The next spot, like when we see the top of the top of the floor, you start seeing that. It's like, man, it's a nice view actually. So yeah. So anyways, we were dipping. We're going to downtown the Riverside. And then a couple of minutes later, you're gonna probably see like somebody's coming up. Two weird Indians. By the way, let you know, I have nothing against Indians. I love them to death. I used to date a girl who was Indian, but it's overfilled in Canada with Indians because we have so many immigrants, especially Indians, because the university is just swamping them inside of us. It's like they're paying $10,000 just to get into the university, which is insane. But I'm not saying anything, and I'm gonna let you get back to the video. Two dudes in a car. Two dudes in the car. Two gay dudes in the car. I don't know, who knows?
My
onto the right of you, you'll probably see the tunnel to the USA. And we're probably gonna hit the red light, try to rev the engines best we can for those little kids. Sorry, girls, not girls, kids. That was my boy, so I'm gonna let you talk. Let him talk.
What's yours? Oh, watch out, man! What the fuck is going on here?
Alright, so then we ended up heading to downtown. We're like, yo, you know what, let's go. And you're like, I got you, man. I'll follow you. We ended up heading downtown, and you're gonna see me hit a right here. And you're like, yeah, let's get down here. So we ended up getting down. We're like, okay, damn. So people be mean mugging us, but like, we don't give a shit. But whatever. I'm gonna probably let you keep watching the video because my boy's gonna pop up. So peace.
Those kids are funny. Those kids were funny. You gotta park right there.
Now, the reason why we were dipping, we liked the whole scenery, but the only thing was the reason why we're actually leaving. So on the biker guy was actually very chill, but those two Indians, they looked like the one on the all the way to the left hand side. He wanted to rob my friend's bike. He was like, hey, nice bike, how do you turn it on? And then he's like, can I jump on it? And I was like, told my friend, yo, Jay, let's dip. And so we did.
I forgot to put my kickstand down. That's right. What? I forgot to put my kickstand down. Fuck off. Fuck you, bitch. Man, I'm going up. I gotta hold the thing. Chill, Adam. Oh, pick the fuck you, bitch. Fuck. Fuck, you can't see that shit. Whoa, fuck. I keep stalling it now. Back up. Alright, I think we're good. What? Oh, see, I told you he's following us like a motherfucker. He wants the bikes, bro. I got you.
So basically, we're riding. Once we finished from like downtown, because the Indian guy was kind of tripping both of us out. So we ended up dipping, and we were like, you know what? Let's go all the way to what is it? It's the east side, yeah, east side of Canada. So because it was pretty good ice cream in that area, so I was like, you know what? And it's actually chill, like nice people, nice folks, a whole bunch of places with nice cars too. So we're like, you know, let's just ride over there and just enjoy ourselves. So we ended up riding over there. He looked bad as hell right now. Look at that white boy. Or I wish I had white pants too. It would have been dope even, but it's okay. I don't know how he rides with no like. I don't know. Not even gloves. Like gloves, he doesn't even put on. He doesn't like putting gloves. But me, I don't care. I'll just go zoom past through like the bike lane because I'm assuming we have the bike, right? Our bike is that bike. I'm assuming it's like a bicycle, but. You'll see me at one point that I noticed that I zoom past too many people, so I'll slow down like right now, and I notice he's falling really far behind, so I'll slow down, look a couple ways, wait until he catches up, and then I'll like, you know, I'm like, okay, now he's caught up, so now I'll keep going and what do you call it? See, I don't know, there was something wrong with the computer, so I just kept going with this. But yeah, so he ended up catching up, and I was like, you want to race, bro? Let's do the race, come on, bro. And he was like, alright, I got you, I'll lead the way. So he ended up leading the way, and overall, we ended up just trying to grab ice cream, that's it. But yeah, but it was a cool ride. That was a whole entire view of the river. It's like downtown kind of style for us. But yeah, I don't know, I'm talking like I'm like one of the morons, but whatever. Enjoy.
Watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh.
Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please follow, whatever you guys want to do. That'll be great, appreciative. If you can subscribe, that'll be awesome. I'm gonna try to give better content than this because this content kind of sucked balls, but whatever. Peace out, live your life, be awesome.